Welcome to my mini vlog. For today's videos, we are going to Tumalog Falls with 1,000 pesos money. So while waiting for the barge picture Muna. So finally, after 100 years of waiting, we are now at the barge. Ticket cost 120 pesos. Once you arrived at Liloan Port, you need to ride tricycle going to the highway where the bus is waiting for passenger with 20 pesos fare. So we are now at the bus going to Oslab, which costs 25 pesos. From here you need to ride a motorbike going to the entrance of Tumalog Falls, with 120 pesos cost back and forth. The entrance fee going to the falls is 50 pesos. They also offer a ride going down to the falls, which costs 40 pesos. You are not allowed to bring your own ride going down, so either you walk or you ride a habal-habal. So we decided just to walk so that we can take photo and videos, and we are so lucky that we saw monkeys crossing on the streets. It was fun walking going down, but not fun going back by walking. Falls is not far, the road just trekking. So if you don't want to walk going back, there's also a habal-habal waiting here. So finally, it's time to change outfit for the photos. Someone also offer you to take photos and video just for donation. So if you want to stay longer in the falls, they also have cottages worth for 150 to 500 pesos, and you can also bring your own food. While waiting for our habal-habal. So do side trip going to Gasano Oslab to have lunch. The jeep fare is 25 pesos. We have chicken only for 198 pesos with a soft drinks, and a pizza cost for 38 pesos. Window shopping. This time we already at the bus going back to the port, and bus cost 47 pesos. We catch the 4 p.m. fast craft trip, which only 15 minutes travel from Liloan Port to Cebu Port. It costs 135 pesos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next mini vlog.